How to transfer money from Yoursafe to Wise account. To transfer money from your Yoursafe account to a Wise account, you simply have to open the Yoursafe app and make sure to log into your account. After you do that, tap on Initiate a new transfer option and select Wire Transfer as the payment method. Once you've done that, input your Wise account details, including the bank account number and routing number. As the recipient information, you will likely need to confirm the transfer through your Yoursafe platform before the funds are sent to your Wise account. Now for this, there are some important points to remember as well. The first is that you need to be wary of the verification of details. Second is the fees, which you should be aware of any potential transfer fees associated with both Yoursafe and Wise, and the processing time usually takes a few business days to complete. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.